This thing is unbreakable, and I mean the hinge. It's been 20 days and Z Fold 4 performs really well, especially if you talk about the battery life and the new features. If you own a Galaxy Z Fold 4, you will second my thought. Once you get used to it, there's no going back. And I know it's not a big update over the last year, but the changes Samsung made matters the most with outstanding durability. Have you ever thought of bending your Galaxy Z Fold 4? If not, then yes. This thing performs exceptionally well and survived the durability test, and including the features like IPX make it even better. But quick advice here, don't drop your Galaxy Z Fold 4 or don't drop anything on your Galaxy Z Fold 4 because it may damage the inner display pixel if not display. But Victus Plus on the outer display is more durable and can handle a pocket drop. But I would suggest get a case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I don't want you guys to suffer from a broken display on your Galaxy Z Fold 4 because it is expensive. After 20 days, it seems like small display changes don't even matter, but I'm glad Samsung changed the hinge design to make the outer display a bit wider and get a clean look. For those who don't play games on their phone may not feel a big performance difference, except few software updates including the new taskbar and putting multitasking app treated as a single app. Still, using as a daily driver, this thing is perfect, and I'm talking about battery life. With the same amount of a capacity, but surprisingly longer battery backup. Now, if you are the one who are updating from a Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4, you will feel the difference. Where from medium day-to-day task after 20 hours, this bad boy is still left with 10% of the battery life. The ones who don't like cameras on the Z Fold 3 should be happy with the Z Fold 4, because Z Fold 4 just enters the elite camera group with its new 50 megapixel main shooter, which can go up to 30x zoom, and the other two cameras are about the same as S22 Ultra, and Samsung even added Z Fold 4 into a league of professionals with its new Expert RAW app. You can take your photography to the next level controlling the shutter speed and ISO, and it is now available on the Galaxy Store. The new Android 12 is great, but with bugs and with time, Google and app developer needs to work on it. Although inner display multitasking is good while reading, or if you are searching about a next video topic, this can handle it, just like if you have a 7-inch tablet or iPad mini, but with an ability to get into your pocket. If you are coming from a normal phone, and I mean S22 or any previous Galaxy device, this will feel heavy, but this is the lightest foldable around 264 grams, which if I compare to a normal phone, it's heavy, just in case if we compare to the S22 Ultra, which is around 228 grams. But once you get used to it, it's completely usable, and you will find yourself using the outer display most of the times. If you want in detail durability video, then you can check my durability video here. So with that being said, I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.